right, buddy? That's nice. I don't have much to talk about. Actually, I have a lot to talk about, but my brain is not organized, so I'm just enjoying the ride. I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna have some fun. I'm having fun. Somebody's in a hurry to stop. Turn my signal on, cause I'm gonna be turning. Right. That was beautiful. See if this light senses me. Maybe. Oh, there's a car. Cool. Just so pretty down here. This camera angle is tilted a little more down than I would like. It's because the sun is later in the afternoon, evening, early evening. I'm going this way. See if this light senses me. Oh, I see a penny. Penny for your thoughts. Take my half out of the middle. Okay. Oh, I can see. Yay. Hello, Sheriff. Okay, bye. Ew, roadkill. That was gross. I don't know why that made me laugh. Yeah, I'm just mapping out a new route, I guess. Ooh, I should have taken the back roads by myself, but it's been a minute. Plus the sun is going down a little too much, so might be another time. Oh, where all the little motorbikes go. Now it's lawnmowers and skidoo things, jet skis. Those look fun too, but I used to go to that 7-Eleven to get Slurpees when I was in high school. That building didn't used to be there. That used to be a field. School bus stops used to be over here. That was a fun little encounter. I'm glad I went this way. Did not want to get back out onto Division that way. Or go towards Division. Well, I'm getting on Division. God, I sound stupid. Showing him how to do a proper biker wave, even though he's not really on a motorcycle. Fun times. That's my old foster home. Don't worry, my eyes are forward. I only turned my head so the camera can hopefully see, but we'll find out when I'm able to get to this video on my computer. Bumpy. These tires can handle quite a bit. It's nice. Nice. There we go. I don't know, the vlogging part I'm kind of stuck on again. So much change at my new job. Been there for almost 6 months now, though. Do I call it a new job still? A lot I'm adjusting to. Definitely not used to getting recognized and praised. And I know I'm not everybody's cup of tea, but I'm definitely happier. And I think that's what matters. So much fun. Hey, oh, birds. was a cute dog. Pretty dog. Heading home. She's pretty. Guess I can turn off my signal. I'm going around the world to the right. Well, I would have made a right eventually. Yo, lady! Calm down, Karen. Jeez.